How to submit Wix site to Search Console. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you that how to submit your Wix site to Search Console. So what you have to do is just come to your dashboard of Wix account and scroll down until you see this get found by customer on Google, and if you don't find it, just always use the search bar to find for it, and then just click get started once you find this get found by customers and all that, and just click and then wait for the site to open. And once this opens, I'm going to tell you that what you have to do. Now just click get started again, and what you have to do is just choose your business or brand name over here. For example, I'm going to write demo, and then just click next, and then just choose an option over here that where did your business serve its customers, and I'm going to choose this one, and you can choose any that you want. You just add your city or region, or just click add more, or you can just go for this option and then just click next. And once you click this option, you have to use which keywords do you want to use in the site's checklist, and you can compare keywords with this SEMrush or something that if you want to, and press enter. And just after pressing enter, just click next, and once you click next, you're going to land over here on this interface, and here you have to just choose these options. You can see that my 2 out of 7 steps are done, and to track your progress, you have currently completed 2 tasks out of 7. And once you're done with these steps, you can just go for connecting with Google Search Console. So just click go for it, and then just follow these steps that are over here, and then once you're done with this one, go with the other step and click go for it and go for it. And once you are done with these steps, you can just go for this one, and here you just have to click connect now. And after you are done with all the steps that are left, you can just click connect now, and then you're good to go. So that's the process you can use to set up your site, Wix site, for the Search Console. And I hope you like the process, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.